Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a workshop or maybe like us, a garage workspace where we do all kinds of projects, chances are that you're looking for a way to deal with dust. So I want to show you an amazing solution for that problem. This is the Denwenny 360-degree air filtration system. It is called the Kingmaster F12. And this thing is awesome. So we love this because it is really simple to install and it's really easy to use, and it does an amazing job at helping to really promote a healthy work environment. So the great thing about this is it has a really powerful filtration system with a 360-degree range, and you can use this in a workspace that is up to 1,400 square feet. So this does a really good job and it's really powerful. We love that we're able to use this for all of the different types of projects that we do, whether it be metalwork or woodworking. It can handle sawdust, it can handle metal grinding dust, and all kinds of things in between, even paint fumes, things like that, to really help to promote that good quality indoor air. It also comes with a remote, which is really handy. It also has two settings, high and a low, and you can set this to a timer. So you can program it to run for a certain amount of time after you're done working, or you can let it run while you're working as well. And as far as noise goes, it runs about 60 to 69 dB, so it is definitely not too loud or too distracting to have it running while you're working. We've been really impressed so far with the quality of this air filtration system. It's very easy to use, super easy to install, and has been really beneficial and a great way to definitely improve the working environment in our workshop. And that's my point of view.